Hello guys, review Samsung Galaxy A36, this 5G version, 6GB memory and 128GB storage, in the lime color, made in Vietnam, A366B version. Open box and look complectation. In complectation we have only cable, very poor complectation. Okay, device. Looks nice. New camera design. Display we have 6.7 inch. Plastic body, full plastic body. Downside, slot for 2 nano SIM card without micro SD card slot. Type-C port, speaker, microphone, and we don't have headphones jack. Turn on device. Android 15 and One UI 7 we have. Beautiful new icons. Beautiful new UI. I think it's the best UI. Best Android launcher, best Android UI. One UI 7, Android 15. Galaxy A36. Okay. Open tests. We have very good processor here, Qualcomm Snapdragon 6 Gen 3 and Adreno 710. We have very good results, single core score, multi-core score, and GPU test results. AnTuTu benchmark results. And PUBG Mobile works on the max graphic level. Very good optimization level we have on this processor and this GPU, and on this device we have max graphic level in PUBG Mobile. Open camera. (10x) max zoom. Okay, and now I show you photos on the main camera. Let's see this. That's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.